Hello guys, you're welcome back to RiverFX, the home of trading strategies, and I'm happy to be bringing again another banger of a strategy and indicator. Now I must say that this is a non-repaint indicator, and this indicator has a high win rate. It has a high win rate. You can use this indicator on stocks, stock indices, and currency pairs. Right now, I'm currently testing it on gold, as you can see. Now, if you get this system, just like I'm doing, I'm adding a filter to make it more accurate. Like you can see on my screen, I have the 30 simple moving average. I think there's a 30 exponential moving average rather. So it can tell the trend. And how do I use this? Well, as you can see here that I have a line marked going upwards, right? Good. I went to the 1 hour time frame to see that price is above this moving average right here. So that would mean that my bias at that point would be bias only. And not one thing, I hardly take trades very close to the moving average because when price dilly-dally within the moving average, it means that the market is range bound. And as you can see it right here, sorry, let me draw it out so you can quite see it clearly. You can see at this point that the market was ranging. What's going on? Come on. Good. You can see here that the market was ranging. But immediately market moved out of the zone, I would wait when I get another arrow, because right now I'm in the M15. I will take that buy. Crazily, it does not repaint. I move. Look at it, another move. I would simply wait here for a pullback, probably another arrow, and we're off. Now I have incorporated this timer, so you have to watch the timer. Each candlestick, it will give you its time, because when this arrow pops up, for you to be sure that it does not repaint, you have to wait for this timer, for that candle to close, for the timer, the countdown to be done. Then you are certain that the candle or the arrow would remain and would not repaint. Now how about a sell? Let me move further down. I did something again. As you can see, close to the moving average, it ranges, but as you can see, you can still do some kind of scalping, some form of scalping, and it's very accurate. Scalping, this would have been a losing window if you were holding for long, but this scalp 5-10 pips and you're good. 5-10 pips and you're good, obviously. And this is gold, it's very volatile. So now this is another. Wow, now this is it. So I spotted that in the 1 hour time frame, price had an arrow and it's below this moving average on the H1. And now the M15 happened to be my time frame of entry for this indicator or for this strategy. You can use a 5 minute, it's up to you. So I only take sells, no buys, guys. So at this point, our timer would have started or waited for the candle to close, so would have entered right around here, somewhere around here. Our stops above or just above here. And watch that market fall. It kept giving you more entries, more entries. All of these are winners. So this is how you use this trading system. It's quite good and it's very accurate. Now keep in mind, there is not ever a system that is 100% accurate. Now there could be something like 100% non-repaint and 100% profitable, but not 100% accurate. Take note of that. They are different things. So this is not 100% accurate, but it is 100% profitable and it does not repaint. Now you would have to join in line with any trade you want to take. This should be in red when you take your entries, and as you can see, it matches. It was in red. Another entry, red. This, red. So you can make quite a decent profit with this trading system. If you need it, it will be in the Telegram channel, so you chat me and let me know, and we'll talk about how you get the indicator. So I think that's just about it, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if this is your first time coming across our channel. Peace, guys. Take care.